Welcome to Bike Shift, the channel where we explore the latest machines, technology, and groundbreaking upgrades from around the world. In today's video, we dive into one of the most important modern fighter jets, the 2026 JF-17 Thunder, a symbol of power, precision, and next-generation combat capability. This updated variant showcases how far the JF-17 program has come and where it is heading in the future. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder represents the newest evolution of the Pakistan-China jointly developed lightweight multi-role fighter. Built with the goal of offering high performance with cost-effective operation, this upgraded model pushes the jet into a new era of advanced avionics, improved radar systems, and enhanced weapons integration. It is designed to perform air-to-air, air-to-surface, and reconnaissance missions with increased accuracy and survivability. The latest model continues the iconic aerodynamic shape but includes subtle refinements. Engineers have enhanced the jet's airflow management, reduced drag, and improved structural materials. Composite elements are increased, making the aircraft lighter yet stronger. These updates allow the 2026 JF-17 Thunder to maintain stability at high speeds and improve maneuverability in intense combat scenarios. One of the most exciting upgrades in this 2026 variant is its new avionics suite. The cockpit now features an improved large area display system, faster onboard computing, and enhanced pilot vehicle interface. These advancements reduce pilot workload and allow quicker mission responses. Improved electronic warfare systems, new communication links, and upgraded sensors give the aircraft a situational awareness advantage in modern battlefields. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder integrates a more advanced AESA radar with longer detection range, faster target tracking, and better resistance against jamming. This radar complements upgraded targeting pods, providing accurate laser and precision-guided weapon deployment. Combined, these improvements significantly elevate the jet's performance in both air combat and ground strike missions. The aircraft receives optimization in its power plant, offering better thrust management and fuel efficiency. These improvements contribute to higher climb rates, more responsive acceleration, and extended operational range. The 2026 version is built for quick takeoff, rapid mission execution, and reliable performance in diverse weather conditions and combat environments. The JF-17 has always been known for carrying a versatile weapons loadout, and the 2026 variant expands this capability even further. It supports a wider array of beyond visual range missiles, advanced close combat weapons, precision bombs, and standoff missiles. With improved targeting accuracy and multi-role flexibility, the jet can switch between air dominance missions, ground attack operations, and strategic deterrence with ease. Another major improvement lies in its maintenance systems. The aircraft's upgraded diagnostics reduce downtime and make repairs faster and more efficient. This ensures that the fighter remains mission-ready with minimal technical delays, which is critical for real-time defense readiness. The 2026 JF-17 Thunder stands as a testament to technological advancement and strategic vision. It combines affordability with high-end capabilities, making it a competitive fighter in the global defense landscape. With its refined aerodynamics, advanced avionics, upgraded radar, and powerful weapons systems, this jet is prepared for the challenges of next-generation warfare. Stay tuned to Bike Shift for more deep dives into the world of cutting-edge machines and future technology.